Hi, Gayatri here. Today we will discuss about Christ consciousness or Buddha consciousness or Christ consciousness is the consciousness of those masters or enlightened masters. They showed us the path of unconditional love, and from 2020 onwards we all see that love inside us, and these rainbow kids are here to generate more love in the universe and more unity or unity consciousness, and we all are one. And after crucifixion, Jesus was taken to Himalayas, and he lived there for more than 100 years with his twin flame Mary Madelene. And actually he didn't die. So he was a meditator and a yogi, so we all can achieve in good dimension if we do meditation and prayers.